Hi everyone. So let's talk about the XAT 2022 paper pattern very quickly. Right. So the duration of the exam is going to be 180 minutes. The test mode is online. The paper will be divided into two, paper 1 and 2. We'll talk about that. There is not going to be any essay in the exam. Now, paper 1 will be of total 165 minutes. There are no sectional time limits. It will consist of three sections: verbal ability and logical reasoning, decision making, quantitative aptitude, and data interpretation. The question numbers that I've added here, the number of questions, they are based on the previous year paper. There is no exact number of questions that has been released in the notification. Paper 2 will have general knowledge. It will be a 15-minute paper, right? So you have to attempt these 25 questions in 15 minutes. There will be 5 options per question with only one correct answer. Okay. Now, marking scheme. Paper 1 carries negative marking, so +1 for a correct answer, -0.25 for an incorrect answer. Paper 2 has no negative marking, so no negative marking for your GK questions. +1, no negative marking, but their score is not counted towards your XAT percentile. Overall, there is a penalty of 0.1 mark for each additional unattempted question after 8 questions. So you can leave up to 8 questions, but from the 9th question, there will be a penalty of 0.1 mark. Okay. However, the penalty for an incorrect response is 2.5 times that of an unattempted response after the 8th question. So this is about the XAT paper pattern, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section and I'll answer. Okay. Bye.